Okay, so now you get into the gym, you know, you're about to go put in some work on the court, and you want to make sure you can get your foot in here as easily and comfortable as possible, because if you do own a pair of Kyrie 5s or haven't heard, they are kind of difficult to get your foot in. They are a little bit of a struggle, kind of a workout just to get your foot in them. But once you get your foot in them, they feel great. They're real secure and snug to your foot. So once you're in sport mode, as I call it, we're going to go ahead and show you the best way to loosen them up so you can get your foot in them. Okay, so what you want to do is loosen these up as much as you can, right? Maybe even take the top lace out if you want to. You want to loosen this up as much as I can. And as I showed you guys before, I have different colored laces in here. I do lace swaps all the time. And these are the laces I keep in here. I put the white laces with these. I think that just looks pretty dope. It gives the shoe a little bit more pop. So what you want to do is you want to loosen everything up as much as you can. All the way down, all the way down. Right, and like we showed you earlier in the video, the fly wire is connected right there, and it goes through the fly trap area, and that's where your lace is. So what you want to do once your shoe is all the way loosened up as much as possible, you just want to pull. How you do it here? You want to pull this through. You want to pull. There you go. You want to pull this through so that way your lacing comes underneath here. Right? Hopefully my hand is not blocking it. Yeah, so you want to pull your lace all the way through. You want to do that on this too. The second one. Once you loosen it up as much as possible, make sure it's completely loose. You can do it all the way down to your third fly trap lacing area if you need be. Right? Pull it through there and you get like a lot more space. A whole lot more space on the fly wire. So when you open it up, you really can get your foot in there. Sorry about the debris on these shoes. I wear them a lot, but you guys can see a big difference on how far and why you can open it. Give you guys a difference just on that alone. I mean, if you want, like I said, you can go down to your third one. If you need to go down to your third one, you can go down to your third one and do it too. Usually the first two is the best one, and the third one might be actually the most difficult, depending on how much leverage you gave your other two laces. Let's see. Let me see. Pull this through. This one's tight. Third one is a little difficult to get it through. You might be able to get it through on your own if you want to go ahead and wrestle with that. I don't really want to, because I can get my foot in with these two. But if you are somebody with a wider foot, you might want to go ahead and snatch it through. The bottom one, it's gonna be difficult, take you some time, but it might be worth it for you, because this last hole on the fly trap is really, really tight. So I would just suggest doing the top two unless you absolutely have to do the third one. But you guys can see right there just how wide and how much space, how much wider and easier you can get your foot into the shoe. And it doesn't damage the shoe at all. Once you actually lace it up, everything comes right back to normal. Everything pops right back in place. And I'll show you on camera so you guys can see. All right, get that together, boom, boom. And you pull it through, right? All you're doing is gonna be pulling it through, which is part of the mechanism. This just never was demonstrated. They don't demonstrate and show you this, but you gotta pull it through, boom, right back there. Slide this over, and we back to normal. Now you in sport mode, ready to go break some ankles, man. This shoe is dope, because as I showed you, you can go into casual cruise mode. You can flip it right into sport mode with just a little bit of messing around with the laces. This shoe, once again, great for basketball, great for casual wear. Nike Zoom Turbo for that cushion. Kyrie 5, man, one of the best shoes out there, bruh. And this is something else to make it even better. You can go on from cruise mode to sport mode. This is one of those shoes. It does take work. It's not like a BB where it's self-lacing. However, you can make this shoe two different styles. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section below. I will be doing some lace swaps. Stay tuned for that, you dig? Peace. So now that you have these things side by side, all right, let me move this. Now that we have these things side by side, which way do you guys like it? You have your casual cruise mode, and then you have your sport mode. I don't know if you can really tell the difference with the lacing like this, but you guys already saw me break it down in the video. Sport mode, casual mode. If you guys had a choice, doesn't matter. I mean, if you wear your shoes for casual, this might be perfect for you, but you might still want the security in the lacing if you do it this way for casual. Just throwing that out there. I don't recommend the casual wear for wearing to hoop in though. I don't recommend that. That loses some of your support. Don't do that. The shoe is made to be having the max support as possible. That's what makes this shoe so dope. But if you wear these for casual and hooping, you have two different ways you can go about it, man. If you guys enjoyed this video, if it helps you out at all, please hit the like button, share this video, let everybody in the world know what's going on. Shout out to everybody who is subscribed. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscription button with notification bells on, of course, as always. And your boy Bossco, once again, I'm about to get out of here. I'll see you in the next video.